Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity to present. On behalf on my fellow authorship, I will present the result of our research in this presentation. The title of our research is Natural Smart Home Automation System used and based on household behavior. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please introduce yourself. My name is Muhammad Susano. I represented my fellow author, and thank you for the opportunity to present book in this journal, IGAAGS. Yeah. Okay, our research, the title is Natural Smart Home Automation System using LSTM based on household. Yeah. This is my presentation content. The first is introduction, why this research was conducted and construct the problem statement. And the second, I will present the method, how the research was conducted. And the third is the result and discussion was what this research found, and we will discussion. And the conclusion is highlight the research and space for future research. This is our background, research background. The number of electricity consumer in Indonesia reached about the 55, I'm sorry, yeah, 91 to 40% fall in the residential category, and the 5.63 are in the industrial and business sector, with a smaller percentage allocated to government building and infrastructure. This is increased from the previous month in 2021, increase about the 3.75% and become 85.64 billion in the last month in 2020. This is a problem statement. Household in Indonesia are categorized into several customer group by Perusahaan Listrik Negara or PLN, the state-owned electricity company. For the example, the R1 category limit electricity consumption to maximum 1,300 volt ampere with the tariff about 1,044 for 444 45 7 per kilowatt hour. This means that the total electricity consumption for all appliances should not exceed the total is the limitation is 1,300 watt. However, in reality, many households have various electrical appliances with the total power consumption exceeding this subscription limit. Consequently, when multiple appliances are used simultaneously, exceeding the total power limit or overload power consumption, it causes the MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Frequent overloading and subsequent tripping of MCB pose safety risks to the household, as electrical equipment may be damaged, potentially leading to dangerous situations. Additionally, this frequent on-off cycling of electricity can disrupt energy management in the home, cause pain and inconvenience. So, what the solution approach. Therefore, appropriate solutions are needed, such as a deterministic approach involving remote control or automation based on scheduler or specific condition as trigger for control. Each research takes a different approach by considering the behavior of occupant in operating electrical appliance, and also taking environmental factor into account through various sensor using IoT technology. This enable implement the automatic control to prevent overload. In this research, AIoT, artificial intelligence of things, technology with deep learning is applied. Previous work and positioning, deterministic control use simple if-then algorithm and scheduling, as mentioned in reference 19 and 20. However, this type of control is not dynamic enough to adapt changing condition. From the IoT device perspective, the use of smart plug to control electrical appliance is valid. So is reference in 7, 15, and 16. And the various machine learning algorithms have been applied to predict energy management and saving, as reference 8, 9, 15, and 14. However, most of these approaches use past data and are static in nature for pattern recognition and energy usage recommendation. But this work implement a natural automatic control concept based on household behavior. Based on host behavior data collection from smart plug sensor using MQTT protocol with the smart plug as main IoT device to create real-time dataset. This smart plug will give the data, the state of the electrical appliance on or off as a behavior household to operate. And utilizing LSTM as the best deep learning algorithm suitable for time series data. And then the analyze performance system with confusion metric like MSA, RMSA, and R2. Okay, then we will discuss about the methodology, and this book, and in this book we propose smart home automation system layered model. The model consists of 3 layers: the physical layer, the management layer, and the application layer. The IoT infrastructure is located in the physical layer, serving as data collector from various sensors within the smart home context, such as smart plug, temperature, humidity, temperature and humidity sensor, motion sensor, and others. Next, the management layer, which is the state-of-the-art component of the system, process data from this sensor into streaming dataset referred to as AHEAX, Automatic Home Electrical Appliance Control System in this research. AHEAX contain information on the temperature and humidity. AHEAX contain information of the on-off status of electrical appliance, the presence of people in the room, and the room temperature and humidity constantly update according to the habit of household occupant. This dataset can be directly utilized by deep learning in edge computing environment, where in the system utilizing LSTM algorithm, the output of this computation is classification for controlling on or off status of electrical appliance to the smart plug, represented by the red line from the management layer to the physical layer. In addition to automatic control, this is also facilitated by the Node-RED framework. The system provides a manual control interface, the manual control interface for user and online database. Meanwhile, the application layer function as the user interface, featuring a dashboard for manual control and system monitoring of the smart home condition, including its environment and energy usage, with data access from online storage. This research create a streaming dataset from the smart plug and the other sensor in the IoT device and environment. This dataset is collected by various sensors through an IoT network within a single wireless LAN, with MQTT as the communication protocol. Each sensor sends its data via MQTT topic to an MQTT broker and Node-RED acting as MQTT client. Capture all sensor information to then process into the dataset. Node-RED then organize the dataset into the CSV file with label structured as shown in the following table. There are at least three important sections. The first is S-X, that means the state of electrical appliance operation, which represent household behavior data, containing the on-off status of electrical appliance are as the learning targets. The second is supporting sensors such as total power from the power meter, temperature and humidity, presence sensor that detect occupant in the room. This is the support sensor. And the third is the timestamp data, which is extracted into several parts of analyze, extracted to be NSM, weekday status, the day from Monday to Sunday, date and time. This is the relation. This will use to analyze the relationship between time and household behavior in more detail. The other method is we use the LSTM model. LSTM is type of neural network used to process sequential data, such as time series. It works through a special memory cell called the LSTM state, which contains three gates: input, forget, and output. This gate process previous information to produce the output, which is then used as an input for the next cell. This represents as a candidate states and a hidden state. Well, to that variable will use next LSTM cell as an input. And LSTM cell create the output the same with the form of cells candidate state and hidden state. In this LSTM design, the model consists of 4 layers. I mean the 3 layers, 1 input layer, 2 hidden layer, and one output layer. So the total is 4 layer. 25 LSTM cell or neuron in the hidden layer are determined based on the variation of input variable and the classification model in the output layer. These two hidden layers are designed a fully connected layer to learn the complex correlationship between input variable or feature. The input layer varies according to the variable in the dataset table, the previous slide, that have a strong correlation with the smart plug appliance being target for output. Meanwhile, the output layer contains only one neuron as it is intended for a single on or off classification. In this design, each smart plug appliance has a different model depending on the number of input variable, but the STM structure remains the same. This research used Google Colab and Python programming as the environment for building the smart home automation system, starting from the dataset preparation, using the explorasi data analyze or EDA, and pre-processing data, including cleaning and transformation, and then create a model and evaluation model. This is the part, the result and discussion. SAS, data pre-processing, SAIS, performance analysis, SHAIS, IS, performance with the real-world data or external validation. In this section is data pre-processing. The result of exploratory data analysis are presented, focusing on the correlation between input variable. We concentrate on smart plug appliance, air conditioner, television, and water pump as the test subject of all the system. We can see in this heat map correlation between features. The correlation result for the input variable targeting the three smart plug are the following, like smart plug for air conditioner. We use a correlation 0.03. That's mean the input variable above of that threshold is total power. Total power and the smart plug TV, smart plug water pump, smart plug washer machine, and then temperature, humidity, week, present bedroom, present room, and washer week status. There is a 10 input variable with a correlation of 0.03. And now let's see the TV, smart plug for the television. Using the with correlation of 0.1, the result is X input variable. Total power, smart plug air conditioner, temperature humidity, week, present guest room, an NSM time variable, and in time variable. And then we look the smart plug of water pump. Have the 5 input using the correlation 0.1. 0.1. Yeah, this is weak temperature, machine, and then air conditioner, and total power. Once in the input variable are determined, the next step is to create LSTM model for the smart plug. And we have the performance of smart home automation system. Common evaluation use the confusion metric with true positive, false negative, true negative, and false positive value. The resulting parameter include accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. The evaluation showed that the LSTM model effectively learned household behavior with high accuracy, achieving 98% for the television and 97.6 for the water pump. Though the accuracy for the air conditioner is low in 81.9%. The television exhibit high precision and recall in 95% and 98% respectively, indicating accurate on-off prediction with minimal error. The water pump also performed well with 85.7% precision and 85% recall. However, the air conditioner has lower precision in 9.5% compared to recall 90.3, getting more false positive. This performance gap may be due the difference in appliance usage pattern. Accurate prediction have prevent electrical overload, ensuring household safety and optimizing energy management. Future research could explore contextual factors such as weather, time of day, and user behavior, as well as improving sensor accuracy for better prediction, especially for air conditioning. Now, we test the system with the real-world data or exclude data training. The model was developed using data set from February to April 2024 and is now being tested with the data from May 14 until 21 May in 2024. This means the excluded data or real-world data. This test is divided into 3 categories: weekdays, Monday to Friday, weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and we try to aggregate all day combined to access the impact of different time habits. The result are as follows. Accuracy for smart plug AC air conditioner was lower compared to television, smart plug television and smart plug water pump motor, particularly on weekdays. With air conditioner achieving just 51% and television 66.1%, and water pump motor is high where the 83.3. Interestingly, as smart plug air condition accuracy improve or weekend, reaching about the 67.3%, while water pump remains stable around 82.2. In contrast with the television accuracy dropped uh, until 47.5% on weekend, but is fair on weekdays. Overall, smart plug water pump motor LSM model in the smart plug water pump motor show consistently higher accuracy in car compared the other two television and air conditioner, indicating this model on the smart plug of water pump motor better prediction performance for time factor do not significantly impact this smart plug water pump motor modeling, unlike smart plug air conditioner and smart plug television. This accuracy variation highlight the importance of considering time-based user habit to prevent overload and optimize energy efficiency, particularly during unpredictable weekend usage. So the conclusion of this book, this research book is first is the natural smart home automation system has been successfully implemented in this study. The use of LSTM deep learning is highly relevant to sequence time-based data like AHEC datasets. Result showed high accuracy for television at 98% and water pump machine at the 97.6% with slightly lower accuracy for air conditioner at 81.9%. This demonstrates the system effectiveness in real-world application. So the model can use for the next data or real-time data in the future. The scalability and adaptability of natural smart home system model to different appliance and environment mark as significant preventing a significant advancement. This is the future research in smart home automation, offering a practical solution for preventing electrical overload and improving household energy management. Thank you for the chance of presentation this research, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.